Okay. Here we are in where? Where are we?
We are in India, Kolar Goldfield, Karnataka state. This is called it as tamarind.
This is tamarind. This is a tamarind
This
tree.
is tamarind tree. So this will be soft. This is very soft in taste.
Mm-hmm.
Have you have this one in your country?
Indian
I don't
people use the cooking.
So we are making curry out of this. This will be very nice to eat.
Mm-hmm.
If you make fish curry,
This is
it
compulsory.
is very nice. Compulsory you have to use
Mixed.
for fish
Masala.
curry. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Well, tell me more about tell me about Kolar. Tell me the history of Kolar. And where are we? We're very close to Andhra Pradesh. You told me we are on the border of Andhra Pradesh and
Karnataka state.
Mhm.
When 1802, the British Lieutenant Warren, Mr. Warren, identified the gold ore. 1802.
Just touch this thing. Bite this piece and just taste.
Showering.
See like this. I tell you what. See? Like this. Drop. That's all. Just taste.
oh, you video me doing this. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try this tamarind now, even though I'll probably get sick.
Because George said. Just bite. Just take the juice and throw.
That's good.
Yes, very nice.
Oh, this is our job now. We gotta do the job.
I only said
Tell me what this is about.
this is political.
The
political,
Hindutva party.
Hindutva party.
You know Modi?
This Hindutva party. See, they are blowing the kerosene. See, they will blow now.
Should we go towards it?
Yeah, they blown now. He's taking the mouth and he's blowing the thing. Because this some like Dharna, they are protesting. But this many people here.
எதுக்கு அது?
So the police, Dharna, some Dharna.
I think Bombay issue.
Not Dharna. Not Dharna, something like that. That's BJP. The flag is that lotus. So all these people. Thank you, bye-bye. You showed me a man. One fellow, that fellow is there, George is there. He's doing all that.